What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will be tearing apart this 2001 cr125. We're going to be completely removing everything, splitting the cases and figuring out what the damage is to the crank, because if you didn't watch my last video, I picked up this 2001 cr125 and there's all the pieces to it with a blown up motor, and we are going to rebuild this engine and see if we can't put this dirt bike back together. Let's start taking apart everything on the engine so we can split the cases and figure out what our problem is with the crank. As in the last video, we already removed the cylinder. We're going to start with removing everything from the stator side of the engine. So let's go. And just like that, we have split the cases. And I did remove the crank off camera. That was a little difficult. Let me show you guys what was wrong with this engine. You see this rod bearing right here? It is stiff as butter. It has, you can hear it clanking. Has play up and down, which I did not originally feel. So this crank is definitely bad, and I don't want to go through the hassle of rebuilding it, so I'm just going to order a new top and bottom end kit. That's going to wrap it up for this video. Sorry it was a short one. I do want to show you guys how I organize stuff, because oftentimes when you're taking apart an engine and it has to sit before you actually put it back together, you might forget. So I do write some notes to myself. I probably know where it goes, but I just remind myself. And I keep everything super organized. I keep everything in order how I pulled it off. You can see all the bolts into place just perfectly. I like doing this for the bolts on the case. Although you can drop them in and kind of tell which one goes where, I just like it just because. I did buy a new left case cover. This engine had a seized crank bearing, which we are going to pull these bearings off video. It's going to take me a while to do that. I've never done that, so I'm going to have to heat them up and hammer them out, or buy a crank bearing puller. So yeah, I just keep everything in order. I draw charts. Probably not needed, but I like to do that. So there's the transmission. Anyways, we are done for today. Next week I will be getting the top and bottom end kit, and that's what we will be doing, is putting that, rebuilding it. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Stay motivated. I'll see you guys